Kathleen here, popping in to personally invite you to my workshop coming up on March 27th. You don't want to miss it. How fast is your network growing? Are you ready to elevate your networking game? Then you need to join my workshop and discover 15 simple and easy, powerful strategies to grow your community of followers. Don't let another year slip by without a solid plan. Register now. You don't want to miss it. You are going to walk away with some dynamic tools to promote your business. First of all, we're going to dive into 15 foolproof tactics that promise to captivate a larger audience for your brand. Plus, I'm giving away my Empire Status Chart. You're not just building a business, you're building an empire. You need this chart so that you can continually, year by year, assess your business status. Also, I'm giving away my new book that's going to be coming out on Amazon soon called Marketing Blueprint and Strategy Planner. You don't want to miss that. You're going to need a marketing plan every year, and this book will guide you through the whole year and keep you focused. Plus, a special bonus gift, a surprise gift worth over $50 will be given away to each and every person that registers. Look, you want to be there. Once we hit our cap, the doors will close. I'm only taking a limited amount of people, so register now. Claim your seat. This is Dr. Kathleen personally inviting you to be there to expand your network. Register now and get a free registration gift. This is Dr. Kathleen looking for you to be at the workshop.